So I'm about to run to Target, Publix, and possibly Walmart before I go to work today. Like I mentioned before, my work schedule has changed because we are short of managers, so now I have to work some nights, which I'm not happy about at all, but it is what it is. You know, it's only temporary anyway because I'm about to go on maternity leave very soon, so whatever. But I just need to go run some errands really quick. I had a couple of things I need to get. I was tired yesterday to go get them, so I have to do it this morning. But this week, this Saturday, I have my birthing classes, or a class. So that should be interesting. I'm like, I'm not ready to like see all of that. I'm like, I don't know about all that, you know. But my mom's gonna go with me because he has to work. They have inventory coming up soon, so he's kind of like, ain't no weekend, ain't no days off for real, at least not during the weekend. I think their inventory's at the beginning of the week, next week, so yeah, it'll be me and my mom, so we'll be doing that. I already got this one and this one. This one is cute. I actually thought this was a girl outfit. Kind of look like one to me. Like a little romper. I guess that's for boys. I'm trying to find baby girl some sandals, but I think I'm gonna have to go to like Walmart and get some like really baby. Damn, these are cute. Some really small little. That's gonna be too big. So just left Target, got the cereal that I wanted because like legit they're like the only place that carries this cereal. Because I literally been looking everywhere for this cereal and I only find it at Target. It's the Rice Krispie Treat cereal. I know it's not like healthy, but I just really like it. It is one of the few cereals that's not genetically engineered, because a lot of the cereals that I used to eat, even the ones that are kind of quote unquote healthy, they're genetically engineered now. So I've been trying to watch that a lot, especially with what I eat, like stuff that I buy. I mean, I get it, I know meat is not good for you, blah blah, all that, but look, I'm a meat eater right now. Like I don't know if the vegan life is for me. I feel like I don't eat enough vegetables to be a vegan. Like I only eat like 3. So, you know, we're not there yet. Maybe someday in the future. But I know meat is bad, just in case somebody says that in the comments. Like I get that. But as far as everything else, I try to make sure I watch, you know, what I eat, watch how much processed food that I'm eating and all of that stuff, because I don't want to have no giant ass baby. Like I don't want her to be all freaking huge because I'm eating all this genetically engineered stuff. So yeah, that's why I've been trying to make sure I watch that. Like you'd be surprised how much stuff is genetically engineered. If you just look on the back. If you've never heard of it or like never noticed it, check under the barcode of like your cereals or anything you're trying to buy. And if it's not there, then flip it over on the back and look for it. It'll be like partially produced with genetically engineering or produced by genetic engineering. Like a lot of the candy now is yeah, a lot of my favorite candy that I used to love to eat is like that now. And it's not even, and you can tell it's a difference. I mean, I know I can tell because I have very particular taste buds. So I can tell that it's a difference from what I used to buy. So I don't know. But just something to consider, guys, when you're out grocery shopping if you never noticed it before. Like, I've been noticing for a while. I've just never mentioned it on my channel here. But good morning, guys. So we're running behind at my birthday class this morning. Oh man.
First thing you get up in the truck since you got the beat.
Yep. All right, so we head to my birthday class. You can go like you about to go to Walmart, but keep going. But yeah, go like you're going to Walmart. Like turn that way and everything.
Go like we're going to Walmart.
Yes. Yeah. So this morning, it's like our stomach is kind of hurting a little bit because of how she's positioned right now. It's a little uncomfortable. Yeah, so I don't know what she's got going on right now. But we're headed down to my doctor's office where they're gonna have the birthing class. All right. I'm not exactly sure what that's going to entail. I'm pretty sure video is gonna be involved that I'm not excited about. So we shall see. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to bring you guys directly in there, but definitely tell you guys all about it. Make it right. Keep going straight, go through that light all the way straight. Yeah, but I definitely keep you definitely update you guys when we leave the class and tell you guys what we talked about and you know all of that good stuff. So what you gonna do if they showing like a video?
No.
You gonna watch?
Pray.
You gonna pray?
Gotta be ready because I don't know what you're gonna tell me when you go in the labor.
Hey guys, so we just finished with the birthing class and it was very, oh, it's a funeral. Oh no. Alright, but it's very informative. I feel a lot better about things as far as like the actual labor and stuff because I really had no idea. I had no idea about like what exactly goes on. Like, I mean, I know of course you have contractions and all that stuff, the general stuff, but like the more detailed stuff I did not know. But yeah, so she was telling us about different like medications that they could possibly give you and stuff, and I wrote down all the names so I could research them and just know what the side effects and all that stuff is. And really it made me think about a lot if I even really want to have an epidural, which I always thought that I would because I don't have a high threshold for pain like that. But I don't know, just some things that she had mentioned that made me kind of think about it a little more. So I'm going to do more research on that before I make a final decision on what I want to do. But yeah, it's a lot. She showed us also like how to bathe the baby and how to swaddle. Keep going straight. How to swaddle and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm feeling a little better. Mom got to do a couple little things too. It's informative for her because she hasn't had a baby since I was born, and a lot has changed since then. So it's very helpful for her as well. And they also had a hospital tour, but I'm going to reschedule that. Anyways, I forgot what I was doggone saying. I'm fooling with you. I'm going to reschedule the hospital tour because I want him to be here for that. He had to work today, so I'm going to reschedule that for the next time he comes into town. We'll make a left right. For the next time he comes into town so he can see where, you know, how everything is going to be and all this stuff. No, you can sit right here. feel about the birthing class?
I think it was very interesting and very informative. I'm very excited about my new grandbaby. Yes, Nella is here.
Oh God. But yeah, so now we're about to go home and just chill. It's actually kind of icky outside. I wanted to just kind of go, like, you know, look around in some of the stores and stuff, see if I saw any cute baby stuff, but this weather is like, no. So I'm just gonna go home and chill and probably work on some blog stuff today. Yeah. Just gonna stay home and chill and work on some blog stuff, and I'll see you guys